Welcome back, Happy Platers! Today's Happy Plate is contributed by Mr. Antonio Chu, Braised Pork Hock. For heated pan, let's saute our garlic. Sweat it to the oil. Next is add the ginger. And then some dash of black pepper. Then let's now add the chili. What we're doing is extracting the flavor of these spices so that once we add the meat, it will retain to it or it will be absorbed by the meat. So what we're doing here is actually stirring the meat with the flavoring so that it can capture the whole spice taste of what we have done. So after stirring some time, we will now add some soy sauce, oyster sauce, and then add 1 liter of water just to submerge the hock onto it. Then we will just let this boil for an hour and a half. By the way, I added some sugar on this one. So cover this one. So this is it. After an hour, we will just keep on boiling it and turning the hock so that it will not burn. So we will just wait for the sauce to saturate. Then later we will add some more of the ingredients. As you can see, the sauce is started to saturate. We will just stir it for a little bit and then we will add some sesame oil. Okay, time to add the sesame oil. Alright, so sesame oil will add some fragrance, at the same time some toasty taste to your braised hock. Alright, so now we will now add our cilantro. That will add some more great flavor on it. So what I do here is stir it because I like the taste to infuse to the sauce, and then top it with some more. And that's it. So easy. Let us know if you cook this one. Kindly tag us on Instagram or in Facebook. And please don't forget to like and follow our channel. See you around. Let's eat.